Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grill and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, we're gonna start off by washing our potato thoroughly. We wanna make sure we get it clean because we're gonna leave this skin on, y'all. We're gonna leave it on. Now, if you don't like the skin, hey, feel free to take it off. Now in our boiling pot of water, we're gonna go ahead and rain on it, hit it with a little salt and some pepper. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. Got to get that LSS. Now we're taking our mandolin and we're simply just going through at setting number 2, going straight into that hot, boiling, seasoned water. And we're gonna let this boil and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes on high, y'all, on high. Now while that's boiling, we're gonna go ahead and get our onions into a pan, and we're gonna start sauteing those down. Now once our onions get sweated down, we're gonna go ahead and start adding in our sausage. Now I'm using andouille sausage. Now you can use whatever kind of sausage that you like, or you could even use ground beef. You know, whatever you like. Now the only thing we're shooting for here, we're just trying to brown our sausage, y'all. That's all we doing. So yeah, let's go ahead and give that a mix. And while that's mixing up, we're gonna start on our mushroom soup. So we're gonna take 1 whole can of mushroom soup, get that into our pot. Now we have our heat on medium. Now as our creamy mushroom soup comes up to a boil, we're gonna add in water into that same container, and then go ahead and get that in there, y'all. And of course, we gotta give that a mix. Make sure they combine well. Now, of course, we just warming this up, y'all. Now, in the same pan that we cooked our andouille in, we gonna go ahead and start layering. Now, I took some of the sausage out and just left enough for the first layer. And now we're gonna go ahead and put in our taters. Now, y'all remember, hey, we pre-boiled these. Now we're just gonna layer this just like a lasagna, y'all. Just like a lasagna. But this is just meat and taters. Meat and taters. You can't beat meat and taters though. Now after we get our layer of potatoes on, we're gonna go ahead and come in with our creamy mushroom soup. Get us a nice little ladle of that. Then of course we gotta hit it with some cheese, y'all. You know my wife would get me if I ain't put no cheese on it. Now this here is cheddar cheese. And now we're gonna come in with our Mexican blend cheese. And oh my goodness. You know, right at the top, we had to hit it with some more cheese, y'all. Had to. So let's go ahead and get this into a 350-degree oven. Now everything that we putting in the oven is basically already cooked. So you basically just melting the cheese. And yeah, guess what, y'all? We ready to eat. We ready to eat. So let's go ahead and plate it up. Now this is a real quick, lazy Wednesday meal. You can't tell me you can't whip this up right quick, y'all. Took all of 15 minutes to do. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.